try some hard ones. All right, let's do this one. Let's try this one right here. X squared plus 4x minus 12. First, I have to ask myself, is there a number I can pull out of all three of those terms? No, I can't. Can't pull a number out of all three of those terms. All right, good. Moving on. Now I got to factor it. Okay. Um, X and X, right? What's the symbols that go in there? Is it plus plus? Is it minus minus? Is it plus minus? What are the symbols that should go in there? Good. Okay. What are my number options? What numbers can go into there? 2 and 2 and 2. No. They need to multiply out to be negative 12. 2 and 6. What else? Well, right. You're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. Essentially, I could put in 2 and 6. I could put in 3 and 4. I could put in 1 and 12. But you're right. I would choose 2 and 6 because I want to get them to add together to be 4. Right? So what? Where do I put? I put 2 and 6? No. Why? And I want to get positive 4. Very good. Very good. Awesome. Let's try this one. Here. This is x squared minus 4x plus 24. See if we can do that. All right, so I've got an x and an x. What else do I got? What are the what goes? Is it positive positive, negative negative, positive negative?
Negative, positive.
No,
Oh no, it's gonna be negative negative.
it is a negative negative. I 100%ly agree with you. You look confused. Ask her why. No, ask her why. All right, explain to her why. Right. So because there's a positive here, we know that this is either positive positive or negative negative. But Kiana looked at this part right here and said, hey, that's a negative, so it's not going to be a positive positive. I'm dealing with a negative negative. Got it? What are my number options? What numbers can I plug into there? 4 and 4 and 6, right? What else? 2 and 12. Okay, what else? 8 and 3. Yeah, I agree. What else? 1 and 24. Anything else? I think that about covers it. All right. What? Which one of these can add to give me negative 4? None of these. None of these can combine to be negative 24. So what I would choose, and I got to figure out how I'm going to have the computer answer this, is I would just say NA or no solution. There's no solution. This one does not have a solution. You understand? I mean, I can't figure out any of these numbers that add up to be negative 4. Not everything can be factored, I hate to say. This one happens to not be able to be factored. Sorry. So you just say no solution. There actually is a solution, and we'll get to that. That's like chapter 10, I think. We're on chapter 6. Okay? I'm going to show you. Actually, I think in the next chapter I actually do show you. So I think it's chapter 7. That's next chapter. I'll show you how to solve these kinds of problems. But for the most part, this is actually just there is no solution to this. Got it? Do you want another problem? Sure, let's try this one. Okay. Remember, this one's a little bit harder because there's a number out in front here. Then it becomes harder. If there were no number out in front there, then it becomes simple. All right. So, can I just put x and x? Good, good. I need to make sure that these first two numbers multiply out to be this thing. So I need 3x and x. Got it? All right. Now, I need to choose 5 and... All right, by the way, is it going to be plus minus, minus plus? You notice how what I've been saying is... I've just been saying, okay, I know it's going to be plus minus because this is a negative number. What I have been saying in the past, though, is it doesn't matter whether it's plus minus or minus plus, you know, as long as they're opposites of each other. In this case, since there's a number out, it could be this. It could be minus plus, and that actually does make a difference. I'll show you. What are the factors of 5? 5 and 1, basically. Okay. So I could put 1 and 5 over here. I could put 5 over here and 1 over here. And actually, yeah. Or I could do 5 and 1 here. Or 1 and 5 here. There's like a bunch of different options to choose. But I know that those are the numbers. I'm only going to be dealing with 1 and 5. Got it? So if I put a 1 over here and a 5 over here, then in order to get that middle number, I would do the outer times outer and the inner times the inner and then add them together, right? So the outer times the outer would be 3 times negative 5, which would be negative 15, and then the inner times the inner is 1. Can I mess with negative 15 and 1 to get negative 2? No, not really. So I definitely don't want to try 1 and 5. Let's try 5 and 1. Foil it out. See if you get the right answer. I'll do it in my head. I know that the first times the first will be 3x squared. I know the outers, or the last times the last, will be 5 times negative 5. Will give me the negative 5. The question I need to ask myself is, will the middle term add up to be negative 2? 3x times negative 1 is negative 3x. 5 times x is positive 5x. So 5x minus 3x, is positive 2x. Darn, close. But that's also not the right answer. Yeah, let's try it. Let's try 5 and 1. Alright, let's FOIL that. 3x squared, that's the first. Outers would be 3x, right? Inners would be negative 5x, and last would be negative 5. Excuse me, 3x squared minus 2x minus 5. Awesome. That's what I wanted. This is the correct answer. Make sense?